bongo chicken, which is the tradition of the tribal people of Bhadrachalam.
We had the tribal sisters and brothers helping us.
Boss came and he only mixed masalas, mirchi, salt and all. We put into bamboo and we burn it, and means we cooked it up. The whole team, if involved, it will be done easily. There was a message. Even in Telangana Congress, if we are united, we will cook a better one. Means we will come to a power.
But when do they eat this dish?
इन लोगों के लिए एक भगवान ग्राम देवता है मुत्यालम्मा, सो वो फेस्टिवल के
Ask her how did she develop these muscles?
అంటే ఎక్కువ మా ఆదివాసులు అడవికి వెళ్ళి కొన్ని చెట్లు అవన్నీ కొడతారు కదా సార్ వ్యవసాయాలు.
एक बात तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ सर, बहुत लोग ठीक है, हम मोबिलाइजेशन करके लाने वाला एक सेक्शन पब्लिक रहती है, मगर आपको देखने का पब्लिक अलग है.
आपने पूरा बहुत अच्छी तरह ऑर्गेनाइज किया अपनी कंस्टिट्यूएंसी में. दो तीन लोगों को डांट भी मार दी बीच में, एक दो को मतलब झापड़ा भी मार दिया.
हमारा पब्लिक आपको देखना चाहते हैं.
हाँ, बीच में नहीं आने चाहिए.
नहीं आना. मैं डेली दिखता हूँ, मेरा वर्कर्स दिखे तो फायदा नहीं है.
In Kerala, all the leaders were walking with me. 2-3 of the leaders fell down. In Karnataka, all the leaders were walking. 2-3 of the leaders fell down. Tamil Nadu, they fell down. In Telangana, nobody fell down. Huh? He fell down, but before Telangana. He fell down just in the border. In Kerala, they were falling down like this. Bar.
I could not walk that day at all, the first day. I was pushed back, I did not follow that pace, I could not walk at all. From the next day, then I realized, this is not going to happen this way, and I started with 1 kilometer every day. Third day, 2 kilometers, then 3 kilometers. I picked up completely, and as soon as I joined, I could walk in the morning
And in the evening.
Completely.
Excellent.
And now,
कांग्रेस पार्टी का लीडर्स एंड वर्कर्स का ये हेल्थ इंप्रूव हो गया.
The voter between 18 and 30 is getting corrected.
Yeah.
This collection was not there.
That you can see.
That is getting corrected to the party. So this is a very positive response from the youth.
Politics is a service, no dictatorship or domination. The society also changing day by day. I am happy with my people. Depend on only my hard work only.
That every culture, every art form that you have participated, particularly there the other day, Pothurazus, Bonalu, Batkama, and Pothurazu is the goddess brother.
The one where you put the shoulder down.
You moved the step.
Your announcements based on this privatization, they're having a cascading effects. I think that's very good. So I think, these interactions and you're announcing in the evening about UNESCO, terrific impact. 25 kilometers in sun, rain, whatever, looks very possible. So I think it's a great...
So you are saying, you are suggesting that we increase it?
You can in Maharashtra. मैं दिल से कह रहा हूँ, मैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जब था, मैं कांग्रेस को इतना दुश्मन मानता था, गांधी परिवार को इतना दुश्मन मानता था. आज हम सोच रहा है यही परिवार देश को बचा सकता है. मतलब इसमें ट्रांसफॉर्म के जो बीच में है ना, ट्रांजिशन पीरियड, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. पर्टिकुलर फैमिली who have sacrificed everything, including personal life, including lives. तो वो जब आदमी देश के लिए जान दे सकती है, तो उनके लिए पैसे क्या है भैया, करप्शन क्या है, उनके लिए क्या करने का है वो पैसे लेकर.
This yatra brought everyone together as a teamwork. This is a team only we can achieve this what you wanted to do. As a team we can win. Together we can win. Together only we can succeed.
No, anyway, I just आपका सबका धन्यवाद करना चाह रहा था कि आपने मतलब काफ़ी एफर्ट डाली, सबने एक साथ काम किया और अब आने वाले समय में भी मिलके एक साथ जॉइंटली काम कीजिए तो तेलंगाना में चुनाव में हम जीतेंगे, सरकार बनाएंगे.
I do share with Mr. Gandhi, traveled across abroad, participating in cooking and eating bamboo chicken. It's a wonderful experience and I loved it.
ఏ కూరగాయ ముట్టుకోము ఇది పండగ అయ్యేదాకా
They fix such a date in such a way, by that festival, that particular fruit will ripe.